Welcome to SerenitySync. If your mind is still holding on to pieces of the day, the conversations, the worries, the endless to-do lists, this meditation will help you release them. You'll learn how to let the day go without judgment, making space for calm, rest, and renewal. Find a comfortable place where your body feels supported. Allow your eyes to close gently if they haven't already. And take a slow, full breath in. Exhale softly, letting your body begin to settle. As you breathe, imagine the day behind you like a landscape slowly fading into mist. Whatever went right, whatever felt unfinished, it's okay to set it down now. You don't have to carry it any further. With each inhale, gather up the tension you've been holding in your shoulders, your jaw, your mind. With each exhale, imagine it melting away like ice dissolving into warm water. Feel your body becoming heavier, more grounded, more at ease. Notice any lingering thoughts that try to pull your attention. See them as leaves floating down a stream. You don't need to pick them up. You can simply watch them drift by. Let go of the idea that you need to solve everything right now. Your worth isn't measured by how much you finish. Rest is not earned, it is necessary. Take another slow breath. Feel your chest rise and fall. Feel your body fully supported by the ground beneath you. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to put down today's weight. Repeat quietly in your mind if it feels right. I release today. I am not my worries. I allow myself to rest and restore. Feel those words sink deeper into your body with every breath. Let them anchor you into this moment where nothing more is asked of you. As you continue to breathe, imagine a soft light surrounding you. It wraps you gently like a protective cocoon. This light is made of everything you've done right today. Everything you handled with care, even if it went unseen. Let it remind you, you are enough. Whatever didn't get finished can wait. Whatever felt heavy is already loosening its hold. You are stepping out of the noise and into peace. Stay here for a few more easy breaths, letting your body and mind relax even deeper. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to fix. Just breathing, just being. When you feel ready, you can either drift into rest or gently open your eyes, carrying this calm forward with you. The day is complete. You are complete. If this meditation supported you, subscribe to SerenitySync. Let's keep growing together, mind, body, and soul.